right there, folks, and he sticks the landing in the deep mud.
He sends it up the ramp, huge air, around it goes, and sticks the landing. Unbelievable.
Here comes the Red Dragon, taking on the car stack. He hits the ramp, airborne, and absolutely
He hits the ramp, massive airtime, and slams down into the pit. Now watch this donut, folks. What an unbelievable run. He's lining up the crushed cars now, accelerating hard. And look at that air. A huge impact and splash from the green Goliath.
The blue monster truck launches high into the air. Brace for impact, folks.
Look at that air. Blue Thunder just cleared 5 buses and stocked the landing. What a run.
Fața această săritură incredibilă și acum aterizarea cu încetinitorul. Absolut fantastic.
And he takes the ramp high in the air over all 5 buses. Look at that clearance. A massive impact, and he sticks the landing. Accelerating hard. He's airborne, clearing the buses, and sticks the landing.
He's lining up the crush cars now, accelerating hard. And look at that air. A huge impact and splash from the green Goliath. Lining up the crushed cars now, accelerating hard, and look at that air! A huge impact and splash from the green Goliath.
Și iată startul. O săritură incredibilă direct prin noroi. Ce nebunie! Și iată startul. O săritură incredibilă direct prin noroi. Ce nebunie!
He's lining up the crushed cars now, accelerating hard, and look at that air! A huge impact and splash from the green.
Look at the height on that jump, folks. And what a massive splash as he hammers down into the mud pit. And here we go, massive air off the ramp. What a huge hit right there. He sends it into the donut. Unbelievable run. And here comes the Red Baron hitting the ramp. What an explosive landing in the mud pit. The crowd is loving it. And they are off straight for the collision zone. Oh, the impact is massive. Look at that debris fly. And here comes the collision. He absolutely destroyed the bus. What a massive hit. Here they come, the Red Baron against the school bus. And boom, what an impact, folks. Look at that destruction. Absolutely catastrophic. Here they come, 4 wide, heading for the biggest collision in monster truck history. Look at that impact. And it's a 3-way crash right in the center of the arena. Unbelievable destruction, folks. Look at that impact.
Here they come, hitting the ramp. And look at that, a mid-air crossover. Absolutely massive. Look at the air on Blue Thunder, clearing Tyrant. And a perfect landing, folks. This is unbelievable. The blue trucks hit the ramps. They are flying high over the cars. And listen to that impact, folks.
And here comes the Blue Baron. Look at the air time over the crushed cars. What a massive landing, folks. The ground is shaking. Here comes the truck building speed now. Hits the ramp, massive air. Look at those tires spin. And a huge landing. He's going for the stack, he got it. And the landing shakes the whole stadium. A massive hit followed by huge air. This is what you came for, folks. Blue Thunder absolutely crushing it tonight. And launch! Unbelievable air on both sides. A near collision right above the track. He hits the ramp, massive airtime, and slams down into the pit. Now watch this donut, folks. What an unbelievable run.